Jai Shivrai, my teachers and my school friends. Today I introduce Sindhudurga Fort. My name is Pandar Snehal Duri. This is Morya's Donda. In old times, when people not crossing the sea, their Maharaj do Bhumi Pujan on Morya's Donda. This is Morya's Donda, where they do Morya's Donda Pujan here, like Lord Ganesh, Sun, Moon, Shivlinga, Nandi, Lord Vishnu footprint. They do Bhumi Pujan and they go to the cultivate to build Sindhudurga fort. So we also go to Sindhudurga fort. This is Sri Dakshinmukhi Hanuman Mandir. This mandir is not south side. Hanuman face its outside, so it say Sri Dakshinmukhi Hanuman Mandir. In Sindhudurga fort there is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj left footprint. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj handprint. In Sindhudurga fort, there was 2 branches of coconut trees. You never see everywhere. Only Sindhudurga you will see this coconut tree. Let's go to Shivrajeshwar temple. Now we enter in Shivrajeshwar Mandir. This mandir built by Rajaram Maharaj. Rajaram Maharaj was son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is real murti of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Let's take a round of fort. Here is main door of Sindhudurga fort. It is Gomukhi design and it's called Mahadarwaja. And here is Sri Dakshinmukhi Hanuman Mandir. After enter Mahadarwaja, we saw Jaribari Mandir. After going ahead, there is Shivrajeshwar temple. In the side of Shivrajeshwar temple, there is Mahadev Mandir. In that Mahadev Mandir, there is big well. In this fort, there are 3 wells named Dudh Bav, Dahi Bav, Sakar Bav. There is old Rajwada also. This fort is middle of sea. It's called Sindhu Sagar and this fort built by Hiroji Indurkar. Jai Shivrai.